Live your passion.
You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be yourself. Live your passion. Live your passion.
Computer assembly technicians build computers from their parts such as circuit boards, disk drives, cables and switches. After assembling the parts, they test the computer and correct any faults, making the final product ready for consumer sales. Computer assembly technicians need to possess strong technical and mechanical skills as well as a firm knowledge of computers to be able to perform their duties up to the manufacturer's quality standards. An interest in computers and electronics, nimble fingers and the ability to work with small, delicate components as well as excellent analytical and troubleshooting skills are imperative. Other aspects include good dexterity, basic math skills, and the ability to read and understand blueprints or manuals. Training courses typically cover aspects such as components, circuits, operating systems, computing devices, and configuration. Furthermore, many computer assembly technicians typically benefit from on-the-job training or apprenticeships in the form of shadowing experienced workers. This allows them to learn daily tasks and the responsibilities of the position. They may also receive additional training in the form of a company-specific training and certification program. The majority of computer assembly technicians often work in well-lit, climate-controlled indoor environments. This position requires of individuals to maintain high levels of focus in executing repetitive tasks. They may be required to stand for long periods of time, and there is a risk of injury from moving parts or machinery. The job requires minimal travel. Depending on client orders and production deadlines, working late or working on weekends and public holidays is possible. Computer assembly technicians are typically employed on the production lines of manufacturing companies. With experience, assemblers can move into supervisory positions. Some may become certified to work with particular types of equipment, whereas others may move into other occupations such as maintenance or repair workers. The trend of on-demand and self-service is growing rapidly in the manufacturing industry, where assemblers are now able to work on demand and from home. In the future, this trend is likely to continue to grow, which will create even more opportunities for assemblers to work with a wider range of customers and provide them with the services they need. You too can live your passion and become a computer assembly technician. If you are fit and dexterous and possess strong mechanical aptitude, you are a good candidate. This insert is brought to you by the Namibia Training Authority. Visit our website at www.nta.com.na to learn about other technical and vocational career options.